Miss Lena in the kitchen, a DJ by her side. Got her apron and a Bible, let the Lord provide. Hey now, Miss Lena, won't you show me how you do? DJ's laughing, hands are clapping, family's coming through. I watch your channel every week, you make that table shine.
Hello everyone, I will be making banana nut muffins, but first I'll read 2 verses. James 4:8, draw nigh to God, and he will draw nigh to you. Psalms 146, verse 8. The Lord raiseth them that are bowed down.
Okay, everyone, I am blessed today. I let everyone know that we are blessed. This is Malachi, and Malachi is blessed. He's getting ready today to do banana bread. I'm sorry, banana bread. So he's making banana nut muffins, and he's getting ready to get started now. And
he's making banana nut muffin. There's only 5 ingredients. It's 2 cups of self-rising flour, 3 large bananas, 3 cups of eggs, 3 cups of brown sugar, and walnuts. And he's finna get started.
okay.
And he already mashes bananas. You need ripe bananas.
Now we're putting the eggs.
Take your scrape and scrape where's your eggs at. Okay. Scrape where's your eggs at. Okay. All right.
So once your bananas smash good, then you add your 3 eggs in and mix well.
Now we'll be adding the brown sugar.
Okay, y'all, now he's gonna fold the flour, and it's he gonna pour half of the flour in there.
Go half of it. Now, okay.
Now he's gonna fold it in with the spatula.
Yeah, just fold it. And just roll it as deep as you can. Just take it and fold it over in there. There you go. Wait a minute. Here, let me show you the quick way to do it. Here, just do it like this. All right.
Okay.
Like turning it over. Okay. Keep turning it over. Yeah.
I have to put the rest of my flour in.
Y'all, it has to be all-purpose flour. It has to be self-rising flour, 2 cups.
You might have to stand up. Can you do it, Cindy? Do I have to go out? Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now get it on the dish. The cooking dish. Make sure you go inside, not on the thing.
Okay.
I don't know.
Make them out. It's flaming now. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Come on.
Okay, now got one more. Wait, you just take this spoon.
I'm definitely not a professional at
Get it out like this. Wait a minute, let it come down.
You learning.
Drop it down a little bit so we get the
You
spoon.
don't have to be professional as long as you're learning. You have to learn. You have to start somewhere to learn.
Okay, now.
Short hair, I don't care.
Is that all of it? Okay. Now let me.
Okay, so he's doing the second pan, y'all. He did 6 already, so he's doing his second pan of banana nut muffins.
Okay. After I'm done, I'm going to retire for another while. I'm going to retire for a while. Now I'm going to make something else.
She's putting sugar on top. He's going to put these in the oven for 18 minutes. And he'll be back.
Get one of those trays to sit on top of. And you put it on. Let's see. No, that get one tray, go in the other. Yeah, another tray, yeah.
Okay, y'all, we'll be back. They go in there for 18 minutes on 350, and we'll be back.
This is my final presentation of my banana nut muffin. And these how it turned out.
Good one, Barry. They're very good. So he's gonna do one tasting for you. Okay. You eat it just out of there. Or just gonna eat it with a spoon in it.
I have to take off the wrapper.
Just go ahead and bite it. Don't worry
I
about
have to take off the wrapper.
it. Don't take it out. Okay.
I have to take off the wrapper. I like it.
It is very good. They are very, very good. Yeah, I mean, very, very good.
It's very, very good. I like it.
Yeah, this is only 5 ingredients and don't take no time to make.
So this is a nice presentation for Malachi today that he made banana nut muffins. And we've already I tasted a few of them. And they are very good. They're delicious, you all. So this is something that you can make for the summer doing the kids while they're home. Or you can just make them for something special. Or even for the Memorial weekend. Something good that you can use them for. And so we appreciate it so much. And we just love what you just love. I hope you love our videos for today. I'm sorry I'm mixing the names up. Because I think last week Michael wasn't one doing it. So this time it's Malachi. So I thank you so much. You are. And Malachi, say your last little things.
Bye-bye.
Tell them thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And hope
Me cook my banana bread muffins.
And hope you enjoy it.
Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is Malachi banana nut muffins, and we want you to try them. And he is enjoying his outcoat, so he's already eat that one up. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Miss Lena's Kitchen. Everybody be blessed for the holiday weekend, 2025. Bye-bye now.
Bye,
See you later in the next video. Bye-bye.
See y'all later.
Bye.